This video I will explain how to fix common errors which happens in Windows operating system. Windows computers sometimes shows errors. This can be a small problems or things that stop your system from working. We will see some of the common errors and easy ways to fix them. If you see any errors, first and easiest step is to simply restart your computer. Many small errors get fixed automatically when Windows restarts. Blue screen error. This is also called blue screen of death. It shows when Windows has a serious issue. If you see this error, what you have to do is restart your computer, update drivers, use Windows Update or Device Manager, remove any new hardware or software that was added before that error, use System Restore if the problem started recently. To fix your slow computer, what you have to do is you have to restart your PC and you have to uninstall unused programs. You have to disable startup apps. For that, you have to use Task Manager Startup and you have to run the disk cleanup. If you do that, some improvement will be there in your slow computer. Next common error is application not responding. Sometimes apps freeze or stop working. In that case, you have to open Task Manager and find the frozen application, then click on End Task. After closing the frozen application, open the application again or restart the application again. Next common error is app not opening or crashing. Reason can be corrupted files or missing updates. What you have to do is update the app through Microsoft Store or website. Try restarting your PC. You have to uninstall and reinstall the app. Next common error is no internet connection. Wi-Fi or internet is not working. If that happens, what you have to do is restart your Wi-Fi router, right click the network icon and select troubleshoot problems. You have to open the settings, go to network and internet, then reset the network. To fix bugs and improve the performance, you have to check for Windows updates. Go to settings, then Windows update, click check for updates, then install any updates available. Once you update, it can fix bugs and improve the performance. Next error is missing DLL file. If you get error like missing DLL file when opening a program, then what you have to do is reinstall the program. You have to use system file checker. For that, open command prompt as administrator, type sfc/scan now, then press enter. Next error is black screen after login. If you see black screen after turning on your PC, then press Ctrl Alt Delete. This keyboard combination works even when the screen is black. And you will see the list of options. From that, select Task Manager. Then in the Task Manager, you can see Run New Task. In that, type explorer.exe, then press on Enter. If you see error messages like file not found or access denied, then reason may be missing files or permission issues. To fix, what you have to do is make sure the file is not deleted or moved and try running the file as administrator and check file permissions under file properties. If you want to troubleshoot and fix any issues, what you have to do is run Windows Troubleshooter. For that, go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, and other troubleshooters. Then click on the tool related to your problem, like Internet, Audio, or Windows Update. Then click on Run and follow the instructions. And Windows will try to fix the issues on its own. Now we will see some of the maintenance solutions. Scan for viruses and malware. You have to use Windows Security in Settings, choose Virus and Threat Protection, and run the quick scan. Malware can cause errors, and scanning can help to remove it. Next one is free up disk space. Open Settings, then under System you can see Storage. Click on Temporary Files and remove unused files. If disk space is low, then it causes slow performance and errors. Now we will see system maintenance tools. Old drivers can cause hardware or display errors. To avoid that, you have to update the drivers. For that, open device manager and it will show list of devices. In that, select any device which has yellow warning icon, then select update driver. Next one is you have to run system file checker. This will check for missing or corrupted system files. For that, open command prompt and you have to run as administrator, then type sfc/scan now and press enter. Now we will see some of the last resort solutions. Reset Windows. You have to go to recovery, choose reset this PC, select keep my files. If nothing else works, then you have to do this. Next one is reinstall the problematic program. For that, go to apps, then select the app and click on uninstall, then reinstall it from the official website or Microsoft Store. This can fix corrupted apps. Now we will see prevention and support. If you still cannot fix the error, contact Microsoft support or a local technician. To avoid Windows error, what you can do is keep Windows updated, install antivirus software, don't download unknown programs, restart your PC regularly, and backup your important files.